Today, I want to share something simple yet powerful, and it's a metaphor that mirrors the way we navigate through life. Traffic lights. Each of us is on a journey, and along the way, we encounter green lights, we encounter yellow lights, we encounter red lights. How we respond to these signals defines the quality of our journey. Let's begin with green lights, the signals to go. Green lights represent opportunities, progress, and momentum. They tell us, move forward. The road ahead is open. In life, green lights show up as moments of clarity when everything aligns and the path forward feels certain. But here's the key. When you see a green light, you have to act. Too often, fear of failure or doubt makes us hesitate, even when the signal is clear. How many opportunities have slipped through our fingers because we second-guessed ourselves? Remember this, a green light doesn't last forever. When life says go, press the pedal. Take that risk. Start that project or say yes to the dream you've been holding back on. Now, let's talk about yellow lights. The signals to slow down. Yellow lights are cautionary. They remind us to pause, reflect, and prepare for what's next. In life, yellow lights show up as moments of uncertainty or change. Times when the future isn't so clear, and we're unsure whether to proceed or hold back. Yellow lights teach us patience. They're not telling us to stop completely. They're inviting us to evaluate. Are we rushing into something without thinking it through? Are we carrying way too much stress, spreading ourselves too thin? The wisdom of a yellow light is that slowing down doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're recalibrating. Take this time to reflect on your priorities, adjust your course if needed, and gather the strength to move forward with intention. Finally, we come to red lights. The signals to stop. Red lights can be the hardest to face because they feel like barriers. They show up as setbacks, failures, or moments when life forces us to pause completely. Red lights are not punishments, they're protectors. They make us stop to avoid collisions or chaos. When life gives you a red light, instead of resisting, embrace it. Use that time to rest, recover, and reconnect with yourself. Often, we're so focused on where we want to go that we ignore the importance of stopping to breathe for a second. Red lights remind us that it's okay to take a break, let go of what isn't working, or to end something that no longer serves us. Now let's put it all together. Green lights inspire us to act with confidence and seize opportunities. Yellow lights teach us to pause, reflect, and adjust our course. Red lights remind us to rest, reset, and protect our well-being. The magic of the traffic light system is balance. Imagine driving through life without red lights, consistent movement without rest, or only green lights, chaotic and unsustainable. And what if we only had yellow lights? Consistent hesitation would lead nowhere. Life's rhythm is found in the interplay of all these three signals. As you navigate your life, remember this, every light serves a purpose. Trust the process. Green lights are for progress, and yellow lights are for growth, and red lights are for resilience. Respect the signals, and you'll find yourself moving forward at just the right pace. So, as you leave here today and go about your normal day life, I want you to think about these things that we talked about today. Because I'm trying to promote thinkers. That's the key, is we need more thinkers in the world. So I want you guys to see everything as a metaphor. When you're driving through lights, when you're driving through traffic, I want you to look at the lights and think about what they mean to you. I want you to look at the trees. I want you to look at everything and think about what it means to you. But before you go today, I want you to keep this in mind and ask yourself these questions. What green lights am I ready to pursue? Where do I need to slow down and evaluate? And where is life inviting me to pause, rest, and realign? The road is yours to travel. Live life through the traffic lights, and you'll find a way to where you are meant to be. Remember that. You'll find a way to where you are meant to be. Slow down. Think about the things that you're doing. Think about the places that you're going. And don't be afraid to shift gears if you have to. Like and subscribe if you like the vibe. Share if you care. Thinkers are us.